Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and we are going to present our work. First, I will introduce my group. The first one is Apricelia Amanda Putri. The second one is Naufalita. And lastly, Zinzy Adzany Asha. Let's start with Naufalita.
Okay, my name is Naufalita. Here I would like to explain about a warning sign in public places. So you can see in this picture, there are warning hazardous material storage area. So the analysis are the social function of the warning sign in public places is to tell other people that the room is a dangerous place which is only authorized employees or the person who has been given a permission to enter this room. Because this is a dangerous area and there are some dangerous things. And this warning also tells us that everybody could get hurt or die if they interact with the hazard, including the employees. And for the language features, warning is as a noun, hazardous material is as a noun phrase, and the storage area is as a noun. And for the structure, the title is Warning, Hazardous Material Storage Area. And for the explanation, this warning sign in public places is for everyone besides the authorized employees. So they can read the sign and will know that the room is dangerous and it is not allowed for everyone. Because in the room, there are the storage of dangerous goods, hazardous materials, and something like that. And the announcer, this warning sign in was given by the head officer or the superior of the factory.
Okay, now I will explain to you about the text 2. Caution sign in the streets. As you can see, there is a sign that says street closed. Here are the analysis. The social function of this sign is to warn people so they don't cross it because it is closed. The language features. The language feature of this sign is street closed as a noun phrase because street acts as a noun and the closed acts as a verb. And this results in noun phrase. Number 3, the structure. The title is Street Closed. The explanation, this sign is usually installed in the streets where people pass by when a street is closed due to some activity. That's why they can't cross the street or go through the street. The announcer, this sign is usually given by the police.
Okay, I will explain about prohibition sign in public places. As you can see, the sign said that no swimming. And the analysis are, first, social function. Is the social function of this swimming sign is to inform people or visitor usually in river, lake or beach area so they not swim in there because it is too dangerous. The language features are no is a prohibition and swimming is noun. And the structure is title is no swimming sign. Explanation. This sign usually we can meet at public places like river, lake, beach, or any other place that usually we can swim in there, but for some reasons, like due to many sharp corals, the water is too deep, there are pollution, or maybe too big waves, the announcer is this prohibition sign is given by the administrator of the public places or maybe a lifeguard.
Okay, now I will explain to you about text 4. Requirement sign in public places. As you can see, the sign is face mask is required to entry. I will explain to you about the social function. In general, the social function of this sign is to inform everyone to use face masks before entering the room or any areas. The necessity to wear a face mask is to protect ourselves and to indicate that the area or the room is not safe for our health, such as in some factories, hospitals, and other areas where face masks are required. And especially during this COVID-19 pandemic, we must wear face masks when we go to somewhere, when we enter a room, and etc.
And for the language features, is face mask is required is as a noun phrase, and then to entry is as a verb or to infinitive verb.
For the structure, the title is the requirement sign. Face mask is required to entry. Explanation, this sign usually we can meet in front of some public places like mall, hospital, cinema, or any other place that usually crowded with people. The purpose of this sign is to remind people to use a face mask before entering many areas due to avoid the exposure of COVID-19. The announcer, the government states that everyone should wear a mask to avoid the exposure of COVID-19. So this sign is usually announced by hospital, store owners, etc.
All right, that is all for our group presentation. We hope you enjoy and please excuse any mishaps that we had. We are all signing off. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.